If you're experiencing account sync issues with your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and set up your account correctly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your PlayStation 5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection to confirm that your connection is stable. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for updates. Step 3. Sign out and sign back in. Sometimes, signing out of your account and signing back in can resolve sync issues. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, and select your account. Choose Sign out, then sign back in. Step 4. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help fix various issues. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. Step 5. Contact PlayStation Support. If the issue persists, reach out to PlayStation Support for further assistance. Visit the official PlayStation website and navigate to the support section for help with account sync issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues on your PlayStation 5. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional support.